I believe all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me.
Hey, it is your girl Lala, and I am back with another YouTube video. So in this video, I'm bringing y'all a Pride Month look. I think it came out super duper bomb. I did take inspiration from Nazaria Looks on Instagram. I believe that's how you pronounce her name. But I'm gonna go ahead and find the look so I can show y'all. So this is the look that I took inspo from. Hopefully y'all don't see the ring light too much. But I absolutely love her work. She is such a good artist. And she definitely be on the vision board, on the inspo boards, everything, because she is just so bomb. If you want to see any other looks that's inspired by other artists, make sure you go ahead and comment them down below. And yeah, before we even get in this video, if you like me, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'm sure you're gonna like the video, so you might as well give it a thumbs up now. You might as well. Also, make sure you go ahead and comment down below any more videos you would like to see from my channel, and make sure you hit that subscribe button to become a real MVP and a part of the winning team, period. And yeah, follow me on my socials. I'll leave them down below. I know you guys are tired of me rambling, so we about to go ahead and get into the video. So I'm about to just go ahead and hop into this tutorial. I already primed my face using the Fenty Beauty Primer. And if I'm speaking fast, that's because it is hot in here and I'm trying to turn the fan back on. But for foundation, going into the Maybeline 24 Hour Super Stay. And y'all, this is a good foundation. Like, I really like this foundation. The coverage, bomb. The wear, bomb. The finish, bomb. Okay. And then for concealer, I'll be going into two different concealers. So I'll be going into the e.l.f. Camo concealer, and this is the hydrating one, and I have the shade Tan Sand. And then I'll be going into the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter concealer, and I have the shade 260. So for cream contour, I'll be going into the Black Opal foundation stick, and this is in the shade Suede Mocha. And then I am going to be going to Made by Mitchell liquid blushes in the shade Mango Daiquiri, and where's the FPF? Forgot, but I'm gonna take one of these white contacts before I go ahead and set my face, just in case my eyes start watering or whatever. But I'm gonna put one of these in my right eye, so yeah. Now to set and bake, I'll be going into these two Anastasia powders, and I have the shades Banana and Vanilla. So to contour, I'll be going to this palette from Black Radiance, and I'll be taking the darkest two shades, mainly this middle shade. I actually really like this shade for contour, and I haven't used it in a while. And then for blush, I'll be going into the Sahara Volume 2, and I'll be taking this shade right to here. I'm sorry if I'm looking kind of weird. It's hard for me to look out of this eye because I can't really see. Like, I can see, but it's like foggy. So, don't mind it. Bronzer, I'm gonna go in with this Nars bronzer in the shade Samoa, and this is what she looks like. So I'm gonna go into the Inglot gel liner, and I'm gonna try to do a small wing, but you know, sometimes the small wings just be getting bigger and bigger, but I'm gonna try and do a small wing. So yeah. So now I'm going into these Beats by Deb liners, and I'm gonna be taking like the shades that's in the rainbow. So I'm gonna be taking the red, yellow, orange, green, blue, indigo, and violet out of here, and I'm gonna be drawing like lines and stuff on my face. Y'all gonna see. I'm also gonna start with white on this side because I do have hand white contact, and yeah, y'all gonna see. It's gonna come out real cute, so just stay tuned. So now I'm about to go into these mink lashes that I got from the beauty supply store. Actually, these are some bomb lashes. I wore a different style the other day, and I'm like, okay, beauty supply store, I see y'all. Like, just look how fluffy and pretty these lashes are. And these was $5.99. I said, okay, beauty supply store, I see you. I will be back to buy some more. I definitely will. So before I move on to lips, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my inner corners and my nose using this Beautiful Goddess Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Royalty. I haven't used this in a while and I actually really like this highlighter. So for lips, I have 3 different lip products. So first I'm gonna be going in with the ColourPop BFF3 lip liner, and then I'll be taking the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade 844 Sweet Tooth. And then I have, just in case I want to go in, I have the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Sand, just in case I want to make it a little lighter, which I think I'm definitely going to go in with this, but I don't know. Final look, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below any more videos you'd like to see from my channel. Before we get out of this video, I also want to say happy Pride Month to everyone. I'm not sure if this video is going to go up before Pride Month is over, but if it does, happy Pride Month. If it doesn't, hope you had a good Pride Month. But make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and comment down below any more videos you would like to see from my channel or from me. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a real MVP and a part of the winning team, period. And you guys already know what I'm about to say, and if you don't, make sure you go watch some more videos. But you, yes you, if you made it to the end of this video, you are the real MVP, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.